Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good morning, boys and girls. How are you? Hope you're doing good and fine. Welcome to part 3 in our lesson, energy. We said that energy is the ability to change or to move something. We call it energy. And we learned a lot of types or some types of energy, just like sound energy, heat energy, and light energy. We said about heat energy that whenever you are taking away heat, you feel cooler. But if you are adding more heat, you feel warmer. Alright? Don't forget that. When you take away the heat, you feel cooler. But when you give or have more energy of heat, you feel warmer. Today we are talking about light energy. How light can move or change an object, alright? Or something. Okay, imagine that we are at night and you want to find your toy inside your room that you lost for a week maybe. You want to find it. You just remember it at night. What are you going to do when you go to your room? First, can you look through yourself without using anything? Definitely you need to turn on the light. So the room is so dark at night, you need to make it so much bright. Why do you need it so much bright? So you can see. See? Can you see the change that happened? From dark to bright. So, light energy, okay? Light energy can change objects from dark to bright. Not only this, sun can give you light energy also. Electrical lights can give you light energy. How about fire? If you are camping outside, a campfire can give you light energy. What about candles? When you lighten up some candles, so candles can give you light energy. All these are things or types of lights or sources of light. Okay, light is energy that lets you see. You can see with light. The light amount of light can change how much you see things, or how, if you can see things clear or not. Okay? The amount of light can change how you see the color. Not only if you're seeing it clear or not, even the color of an object. So if you want to add more more light, you are going to see it more bright. And I added a sun over here to let you remember that it's looked like sun, very bright. But if you are taking away that light, it can be dim or dimmer. So light changes the way that you look to things, or the color of the things that you are looking at. Okay, I want to make a small experiment about light and how light changes things. So you are going to need first a flashlight, just like this one. My flashlight works like this and this. All right, and then you need some materials or different materials. Plastic paper, metal, piece of cloth, maybe a real paper. We will see. I want to know, does this light goes through this paper or not? Does it change this paper or not? Ooh, what do you think? Before you couldn't see the word clearly that I wrote it under this paper, but when you put light on it, oh, I can see it clear, and it's blue color. So does light changes the way that I saw this paper? Yes, definitely. Okay, what about this plastic paper. Look. Yes, lights can go through this plastic paper. Look from here, I'm pointing this light to this plastic paper, and light can go through a plastic paper. Why? Because it's not really dark. Now let's try something else. What about this metal? If I put this metal over here, does light go through metal? No, it doesn't go through metal. Wow, this is really interesting. So light can go sometimes through things, but it cannot go through things through other things. Let's open our books to find more about it. Page 388. Open to page 388, and let's zoom in. All right. Over here. How much light? Different materials let different amounts of light pass through. A window pane lets all light pass it through. Yes, definitely. And a lampshade lets some light pass through. But a door lets no light pass through. Now name something else that lets no light pass through. Something we just tried right now? Okay, think of something. Alright, so a book or a wall cannot make light go through. Yes, definitely. Excellent. Now, look at this picture, the first one on the second page and the second picture. Can you tell the difference between them? Yes, definitely. One of them looks dimmer or looks dim, and the other one looks bright. Yes, so which one looks dim? Yes, definitely this one. The first one looks dim. Okay, the color of the water and rocks looks dim in low light. But the color of the water and rocks looks bright in bright light. So if I wanted to ask you, what do I mean by dim and what do I mean by bright? Can you answer that? Alright, if you can and if you want, you can email me with the answer. Thank you, grade 2, for watching this. See you tomorrow.